What's up? Zach here. Welcome back to Silent Magic Tech, your friendly neighborhood technician. Today, I am going to show a quick tutorial on how to fix your GeForce recorder if it's not recording. All you need to do is follow me. First of all, you need to open the Run command window on your desktop by pressing Windows and key R on your keyboard. After that, this Run command window will appear. Now input the command services.msc. I will add this command in the description below in case you need it. Click OK, and now you'll get to the services window. We're going to look for NVIDIA services running on your computer, so press key in on your keyboard to see it quickly. So look for these 3 NVIDIA services, then right-click on each one, then restart. Just wait for it to load. Do it for all 3 NVIDIA services. Well, that's it. Just exit it and click Windows R to try it. Comment down below if this quick tutorial worked and tell me what you think about it. Click the like button if this tutorial helped you and if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button if you want more videos like this.